O canal Gibibom apresenta mais uma grande aventura do Tex. História de hoje, a Floresta Petrificada, a continuação de Os Desapiedados. Gibibom. Gibibom. Se inscreva agora, isso é muito importante para o nosso canal continuar.
Riding through the desert gold. Tiger breath and eyes of fire. He'd never rest, he'd never tire. Wild West, wild ride. Indians and spirits by his side. Now the whole chants under the moonlight. trails and silent cries, mirage of truths and worn out lies, dusty trails and silent cries, mirage of truths and worn out lies. Stars above the canyon bright,
Gibibol.
whispers in the dead of night. Wild west, wild ride, Indians and spirits by his side. Now the whole chants under the moonlight, Jack's journey, endless night.
Você está gostando do nosso trabalho? Então se inscreva.
Jack Tiger Navajo brave, riding the desert way, with Tex Willer by his side, under the endless blue sky wide. Tracks in the sand like time, echoes of an old land ride. Together they fight for right, under stars that shine so bright. Right on, Jack, right on, Tex, through the canyons and the crests. Side by side they stand as one, in the dust under the sun. Whispers of spirit soul, legends of warriors bold. Through the night they ride unseen, in the moon's silver gleam. Tales of battles and peace, stories that never cease. Jack and Tex side by side, in the vast land so wide. Right on, under the sun. Whispers of spirits old, legends of warriors bold. Through the night they ride unseen, in the moon's silver gleam. Tales of battles and peace, stories that never cease. Jack and Tex side by side, in the vast land so wide. Right on Jack, right on Tex, through the canyons and the crests. Side by side they stand as one, in the dust under the sun.
Gibibol. E então, merecemos a sua inscrição, não é verdade? Se inscreva agora!
Riding high out west, canyon sky so blue, wind blows from the crest of mountains cut in two. Kit Carson rides the lane, dusty boots and spurs, legends never fade, whispers in the firs. Kit Carson ride on through trails old and new, saddle up at dawn till the sun is gone. cold, brave hearts unafraid, stories often told in the campfire's blaze. A hero's humble tale echoes in the night, from hilltops to the vale, through morning's early light. Kit Carson ride on through trails old and new, saddle up at dawn till the sun is gone. River swift and cold, brave hearts unafraid, stories often told in the campfire's blaze. A hero's humble tale echoes in the night, from hilltops to the vale, through morning's early light. Kit Carson ride on through trails old and new, saddle up at dawn till the sun is gone.
Jeep Ball.
No more do I see the starlight caress your hair. No more feel the tender kisses we used to share. I close my eyes and clearly my heart remembers 1,000 goodbyes could never put out the embers. Darling, I love you so, and my heart forever will belong to the memory of the love that we knew before. Please come back to my arms, we belong together. Come to me, let's be sweethearts again, and then let us part no more. No more do I feel the touch of your hand on mine. No more see the love light making your dark eyes shine. Oh, how I wish I never had caused you sorrow. But don't ever say for us there is no Come to me, let's be sweethearts again, and then let us part no more. Darling, I love you so, and my heart forever will belong to the memory of the love that we knew before. Please come back to my arms, we belong together. Come to me, let's be sweethearts again, and then let us part no more. While where the sun sets low, Tex and his comrades in the dust they go. Through trials and fights, they'll always stand for justice and honor across the land.
Se inscreva agora, isso é muito importante para o nosso canal continuar.
With hearts brave and rare, through trials and fights, they'll always stand for justice and honor across the land. Riding across the plains with the wind in their hair, Tex and his crew with hearts brave and rare. Kit Carson leads with wisdom profound. Jack Teeter's courage echoes all around. In the wild where the sun sets low, Tex and his comrades in the dust they go. Through trials and fights, they'll always stand for justice and honor across the land. Through canyons and deserts they ride side by side, facing danger and peril with courage as their guide. Kit Willer's aim true as the stars above, in the name of righteousness they'll always rise in love. With each sunrise a new adventure unfolds in the heart of the West, where legends are told. Tex Willer rides the range, dusty paths never strange, with his friends by his side. Through the canyons they glide. Kit Carson fearless and bold, stories of him often told. Silent whispers in the night, in the dark he's alive. Tex and Kit, Jack and Kit, through our west where outlaws split. Gunshots echo, hearts don't quit, heroes always stand and fit. Jack Teeter's in the fray, claws and courage on display. By their side through thick and thin, in each battle they win. Kit Willer young and tough, in the wild he's rough enough. With the crew he takes his part, fearless with a lion's heart. Tex and Kit, Jack and Kit, through out west where outlaws split. Gunshots echo, hearts don't quit, heroes always stand and fit.
Você está gostando do nosso trabalho? Então se inscreva.
Tex Willer rides the range, dusty paths never strange, with his friends by his side. Through the canyons they glide. Kit Carson, fearless and bold, stories of him often told. Silent whispers in the night, in the dark he's alive. Tex and Kid and Jack and Kit, through our west where outlaws split. Gunshots echo, hearts don't quit. Heroes always stand and fit. Jack Tigger's in the fray, claws and courage on display. By their side through thick and thin, in each battle they win. Kit Willer, young and tough, in the wild he's rough enough. With the crew he takes his part, fearless with a lion's heart.
Gibi bom.
Tex and Kid and Jack and Kit, through our west where outlaws split. Gunshots echo, hearts don't quit. Heroes always stand and fit. Willer, young and tough, in the wild he's rough enough. With the crew he takes his part, fearless with a lion's heart. Tex and Kid and Jack and Kit, through wild west where outlaws split. Gunshots echo, hearts don't quit. Heroes always stand and fit.
Gibi bom.
Kit Carson by his side, no fail. Jack Teague is strong and brave, oh yeah. Kit Willer follows without scare. Under the wide sky they roam, the Wild West, their only home. Through towns and plains they ride again. Bandits flee from their reigns. Wild West heroes stand tall. Tex, Kit, Jack, answer the call. Defend the plains with all their might, riding through the endless night. Canyons echo with their deeds. Bravery sows countless seeds. Justice runs in their veins so deep, protecting the land where others sleep. Through scorching heat and stormy rain, hero spirit won't ever wane. Silver stars and dusty boots, legends grow as they pursue. Wild West heroes stand tall. Tex, Kit, Jack, answer the call.
Gibi então. Merecemos a sua inscrição, não é verdade? Se inscreva agora.
Riding through the endless night. Through scorching heat and stormy rain, hero spirit won't ever wane. Silver stars and dusty boots, legends grow as they pursue. Wild West heroes stand tall. Tex, Kit, Jack, answer the call. Defend the plains with all their might, riding through the endless night.
Não perca a próxima parte deste emocionante episódio do Tex aqui neste canal. Obrigado por ter estado conosco em mais esta aventura. Se não é inscrito, se inscreva em nosso canal, aperte o sininho para receber notificações e clique no próximo.